To help you provide distance learning opportunities to your students, we've added a new feature to DojoFlo called the Virtual Classroom. Here's how it works. You click on the top profile image, select Settings, and click on Virtual Classroom. And this takes you to the page where you'll set up the website that your students will access to see all the distance learning opportunities that you provide. If you click on Instructions, you'll see the steps you're going to take. The first step is going to be to upload your company logo and choose your color scheme for the website. So you can do that by clicking on this link right here, or you can just do it by clicking Settings from this page. And you'll see here's the business name, which you can modify so it shows up how you want it to show up on your website. You can upload your company logo, and we will assign this red color scheme by default, but you can click on any color to change it if you prefer different colors for your primary and secondary colors on the website. Next step will be to actually create the pages, and you can see this has already been done on this site. Each of these sections in blue background is going to be a different page on the website that our students see. So anytime you want to create a new page, you just click New Resource and you create a new page here. And you'll name the page, so you can call this Training Videos. And then you can also put some text here which will show up on the website. So you can say, use these videos to supplement what you are learning in class, or whatever you want to put here. Then you're going to put your first video, so you can call this, let's say, white belt form, and you'll put a date. Now, you may have specific dates when you want these videos to be viewed by your students, and that's why you would put a date here. Or if you want this video to be available to your students on any day, you can leave that blank. And then you just embed the YouTube link for that video. Or if you're providing a document, you can upload an image or a PDF. So if you have a photo that demonstrates how something should be done, or if you have a worksheet you want your students to complete, you just upload it here and it'll show up as a link on their website. So you'll just continue creating all these different pages. You can add to an existing page rather than creating a new page. So you can just select an existing page and then again add your resource name, the date, and either the website or the image or PDF. And once you've created things, you can actually move them around. So if we have, say, a live Zoom class and we've created the link for it, after the live Zoom class happens, we can then move that class over to the on-demand or pre-recorded classes by just clicking the edit button, change it to the on-demand class, and change the website so that we now have the link to the recording rather than the link to the live class. So that's what's happening on the back end in order for you to easily create your website. Here's what your students are going to see. If you click on Instructions, these last two bullet points show you how to share the website with your students. One option is you can give them a very simple URL, dojoflo.com/classroom, and a password which will be unique to your database. And if you give that to your students, they'll go to this website, they'll enter the password, and they'll see the website that you just created. And you can see that the logo you uploaded is here, the color scheme you chose, and each of these different links is one of the pages that you created on this first setup page. If you click on any of those pages, say we click on live classes, then you'll see the options for today. And you can see that we don't currently have any live classes scheduled for today, but the user can change the date settings, so that we can say we want to see everything from last week until today. And now you'll see there are some classes that were on March 31st that they can enter right here. So that's one way to allow your students access to it. The other way is if you want to skip the login altogether, you can give them this more lengthy URL, and when they click on that, it'll open the website right away without the need to log in. So you might include that link in an email to all your students and say, click here to see our virtual classroom, or you might embed it in your members' website if you already have one.